Alright, so you're welcome to my screen now. So once you log on to our website www.hstutorial.com, you scroll down a bit. If you're on your desktop, then you see the option of the live class. But if it's on your mobile phone, it is the first menu you are going to see. So you click on live class. Once you click on this page and it loads, it actually take you to a page for the live classes that will be coming up. So since this is the first live class we have, this is the only live class you can see here for now. We are actually working on having another live class for physics and other courses. So you click on the register button and it brings you to this page. So once you are here, if you're registered already, you click on this option and you insert your email address. So once you log in, it brings you to the page where our live class is going to take place. So on this page, all you have to do is to listen to us while we speak, or you just go straight ahead, you click on the Ask a Question tab and you type your question. So whatever your question is, you just type it out. So from our own end, we are going to see your question and we'll provide answer to your question. So we can't wait to have you on board tomorrow. See you tomorrow by God's grace by 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 14:00 West African time. Do have a blessed day.